In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products in Kartra. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a product from start to finish, with all the key options configured the right way for a smooth checkout experience. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kartra. Click the official Kartra website and log in with your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click the sales icon with the shopping cart. This is where all your products live and where you'll create new ones. In the top right corner, click the plus product button. Give your product an internal name that only you and your team will see, and choose whether this is a main product or an upsell, downsell. Main products stand alone, while upsells and downsells are designed to appear after a customer starts a purchase. Click Create to launch the Setup wizard. For the public name and description, enter the official product title and a clear, benefit-focused description. This is what appears on receipts and in the shopping cart, so make it concise and customer-friendly. Next, upload a square product image. Kartra will automatically crop it into a circle on the checkout page, so use a centered image that still looks good when cropped. Connect your payment processor by linking your integrated Stripe or PayPal account. Then choose your pricing structure: a one-time payment for simple offers, a recurring subscription for memberships or ongoing services, or installments if you want to split the total into scheduled payments. If you'd like, add a trial period by setting a trial price and duration. Just remember that trials typically roll into the main price after the trial ends, so state that clearly on your page. Set your refund policy by choosing a refund window, such as 30 days, or selecting no refund if that's your policy. This information often appears on the checkout, so keep it aligned with your terms. Paste the URL of your sales page so buyers can review details, then add the thank you page URL where customers land after purchase. This is ideal for delivery or next steps. Choose your checkout type: a Kartra-hosted page for speed and simplicity, an overlay pop-up if you want a lighter experience on your site, or an embedded checkout placed directly on your page. Customize the form fields to collect only the data you truly need. Fewer fields usually mean better conversions. If you have a complimentary offer, add a bump offer as a simple checkbox to increase average order value. Set up customer tagging to automatically tag buyers and add them to the right email lists for onboarding and follow-ups. Finally, choose the delivery method: either grant access to a Kartra membership or provide a downloadable file, then click Publish to save your product. Give everything a quick review and you're ready to sell.